JDCap26 here, just do the tips, repairs, and hobbies. And how you guys doing out there, girls and guys? I hope you're having a good day. Got a tip here for today. I'm going to show you how to get this case. See these scuff marks right here? Looking a little bit better. Looking like this. I did a few on here, and got to do that button right there. But anyway, you take this case. You can leave the tool in there, or you can wrap the tool in saran wrap if you don't want to get any paint on the tool. And make sure you have it in the case. It'll help you with the fix. So all you do is, you see that a mark here? Some marks here. You take burnt umber. This is Vallejo Model Air, and you put a dot there. You let it sit on there. And you can let it sit there on there 2 minutes. If you got a big spot, you want to make it sit on there to maximum 5 minutes, and then wipe it. So you just put it on there, and you paint the leather with the paint. Okay, let it sit on there. It's really got to be a wear mark, to cover it. See if we have on the back side. The back side we have some right here. You just wipe it on there. All these scuff marks you see? See all these little scuff marks? You just put the paint on there. You let it sit on there. It'll soak into the leather, definitely. Let's do just the back side here, and I'll show you what it looks like. There's a scuff mark right here. Let it work in, soak into the leather. Like that. See that? Like that, see? See, then you take I use liquid gold. You can use anything with paraffin wax in it. Put some liquid gold on it, and just buff it out like that. Okay? It's got to really be a scuff mark, in the leather. And see how that looks a little bit better there? Do the front side. The front side doesn't need too much attention, but to the leather with the liquid gold, and just go over it. Sometimes the liquid gold just alone will help you, but then you may have to add the color in, the burnt umber. Do the sides. There's some scuff marks right here. See the scuff mark? There's one right there, one right there. Right. And you just want to go in there and spread that acrylic paint and work it into the leather. There's one right there a little bit. Okay. This side, see the scuff mark right there? If I'm getting away from myself, sorry. There's one right there. And one right there. Of course, I'm not letting it sit as long as we should let it sit, because I'm rushing the video because of time. There we go. See that? I'll give you a close-up of it. So that's what you want to do to fix your Leatherman tool case. Use Vallejo Air burnt umber right there. I don't know if you can see that. If you can, it's focusing. And a little liquid gold, or even pledge, or a buffing pad you can use, in the can. I forget what they're actually called. I'll show you this one. It says, you know, oh, what's in that case? It's a signal, Leatherman signal. So part of my collection. And this one's the super tool. So I hope that helped you today, and I hope you're having a great day. And please rate and subscribe, and give me the notification bell so you know when there's new videos up. And we'll see you next time. Take care.